Hello guys, my name is Bhaskar Misra. Welcome to Study Point. In this video, I will tell you the use of PowerPoint. First, we have to open the PowerPoint like this. Here it has been open. Here like this. And then first, we have to click on this one. 1 minute. First, we have to click on this. Okay, here like this, and then we have to choose the writing. It will come, and this one is NCFB, and after that we have to choose this one option. Okay, then here let's click on this, and from here you can select the writing, and after that you have to click on first we have to click on this one, and here it is a text color. We have to select the color like this, and it is the italic. I have selected here. 1 minute. Like this you have to do, and then write the topic like this. Coming. Okay, and then you can put this one on the upper side, and then this one like this, and you can also create its its size like this, and then click on this one and repeat it like this. In this you have to click 64 and italic. Okay, and then you have to do this one like this. You have to do and this one. Okay, and then after that you have to click on 64, and here you have to write once 1 minute. Once upon a time in a village, a boy lived. His name is Pat. 1 minute. Pathik. CHAKRAVORTHI. Pathik Chakravarti, and like this you can write everything. Okay, and then click on insert. 1 minute. Insert, and then you have to click on picture frame if you want to take any picture in the video. Okay, and then here you have to erase this one like this. 1 minute. So and then you have to select this one, and then here from file you have to click. Okay, and from here you can choose the pictures like this. I have selected open, then this picture will come in your slide. Okay, 1 minute you have to like this. Okay, like this, and then this one. It is left behind. Then here you have to take any other file. Right, from this you can take the picture. Okay. Okay, and Control plus Z like this. You can take the old file that you have. Yeah, this one will come. There is Pathik CHAKRAVORTHI like this. Okay, and I have tell you that one thing. Okay, and then I will tell you the next thing is you have to wait. Your color scheme. From this you can choose the thing that you want. Means color of the theme scheme like this. Okay, and from this you can select any color like this one also. Okay, and then I have told you this one process. Okay, and after that I will tell you 1 minute. You have to wait. Yeah, then transition. Okay, like this. First you have to choose this one from all. Okay, and then here you have to go and dissolve like this, and you can take any other by this, and then variation you also can to right and to top. Yeah, it is looking good, and to bottom like this. Okay, and in this one is looking good, and then from here you can choose the time like this. It will be fast. Okay, and then you can also select 0.5 second. Okay, and like this you can do the smooth start, the smooth end, and then here if you don't look that this one is so very slow like this. Okay, from this you can select, and this 1.8 is video. It is okay. 1 minute. 1.3 is okay. Then after that you have to select this one like this, and then you have to click on push and pop like this. Okay, then in this start preview, if you will click that, everything will come. Okay, like this. I have told you everything that I know. Okay, then after that you can remove everything to by clicking on this one. Okay, and then it will be completed. Okay, from this you can sort, slide, outline. Yeah, this one, and this one you can add. Okay, and from here you can open new one. Okay, and then you can also paste anything from it like this. yes, it then it will be here. Okay, and then thank you to watch my video. Please share, subscribe and comment.